views. Hi, mate. Lawrence? Right in the front. Yeah, jump up there. No, like in there. Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Till I like start puking on the bus, I'll let you know. Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another day in Australia. We are currently walking through the jungle at Babinda Boulders. Stop number 1 of the day. We're doing some chasing waterfalls today. As much as they tell you not to chase them, we're going to chase them. It's going to be an awesome day. We're in a big group. Lawrence and I have just tailed off a little bit to do this intro. I hope you guys are doing well. It is a gorgeous day, and Babinda is actually the wettest town in the whole of Australia, but we have got the perfect weather today. There is not a single cloud in the sky. There's this girl called Ulanda, and she had like a Aboriginal husband who she was forced to marry, and there was like this stud muffin McFinnigan who she actually rather liked more than this Aboriginal guy. They tried to escape to come for like romantic sessions down here, and they tried to go across this river to escape to the other side so that she could escape her like suitor, and she drowned in the middle because of the current, because she tried to risk getting to the other side and she thought that her man that she actually loved was going to go in and save her, but he didn't save her and she drowned because she was going to get punished by the Aboriginals for adultery. She was going to get a spear. I'd swim in this instead of getting a spear, bro. How are you, master?
Tired.
Tired?
Yep.
So, are you recovered now fully after the Great Barrier Reef yesterday? Oh, hang on, stay still. You've got a giant flight. No, it's gone.
That's the 6th one I've had on me in the last 10 minutes.
I'm getting rinsed.
Ambushed.
But you're fixed up now, right?
I am fixed up, but by the end of today I might be eaten alive.
Right, so this gorgeous walk is a 700-metre walk you have to do to get to Josephine Falls. It's one of the more beautiful waterfalls we're going to be going to today. And the first place we get to stop off for a swim.
Now, if you're not doing the hair flick, still get your phone and put it in slow-mo and film the waterfall because it looks awesome. You can go swim out behind it if you want. I don't recommend going underneath it. It's like a fire hose on your head, but feel free to go out behind it. It looks really, really cool behind it.
Right then, so we're at the Miller Falls, and we've just been doing like this little optical illusion thing where if you actually stare at a leaf through the waterfall itself for about 30 seconds, so you don't look at the water, you look at a leaf through the water, and then move your eyes, it looks like the entire rock face is just like shifting and moving. I didn't believe Nick at first, the tour guide, but it genuinely happened. You can't do it on video because you don't have that perspective, and we can't zoom in enough on a leaf for it to work. But yeah, Miller Falls.
I don't recommend going underneath it. It's like a fire hose on your head.
Mr. Benson. Mr. Benson. Mr. Benson. Are you having a good day?
Nope.
No?
I'm joking, I am. Don't shame me in front of all of your fans.
We're having a great day. But it's going to get even better now because we're going to stop for a beer and a wrap. Chicken wrap I've ordered. Can't wait. But it's not a wrap for the day though. See what I did there?
this is our limbo stick, guys. Behind that far waterfall is a little secret cave, kind of like Batman, you know, his secret lair. He drives through a waterfall. That's where he parks his jet ski. So if you want, jump in the water and I'll take you into the cave.
They're responding. I believe they can hear me. In the jungle in Queensland, Australia, many species roam the floor and the canopies above. Chiang Mai.
That's a cassowary, mate. Chilling on the back of my bus, mate.
Alright then guys, gonna head off to the last stop now. It's the giant tree.
Yo, George, what do you want?
Right then, sunshine. We're going to a place called Curtin Fig Tree right now. Nick's been bigging this bad boy up all day long. Don't really know what to expect, to be honest, mate, but I'll check it out nonetheless. Nick, you were right. It's cool. All right, this is the Curtin Fig Tree.
Yeah, you get little figs up there. The figs in these trees actually have these native fruit bees. They're only about 3 mil long.
Yeah.
And they burrow into it when they lay their eggs, and they have like something in their saliva, and it stops the fruit from ripening.
A really cool tree.
All right, they reckon it's about 750 years old. Go on TripAdvisor, Waterfall Wanderers is the page on TripAdvisor. Also our Facebook page, Waterfall Wanderers.
Mate, a tasty little sunset. Alright, we just got off the bus. An amazing day at the waterfalls today. What you can see behind me, I'm trying to like lean out the way, are fruit bats. And I don't know if you guys remember the video I did in Komodo, where Thomas and I were flying the drone above the bats in the lagoon. Exactly the same thing, the flying foxes. And this time, every single night when the sun sets, the last bit of light for the day, all of these bats migrate from the trees. I don't know where they go, but they all leave these trees. And sometimes at night you can still hear a few of them like chirping about. But it's kind of like a scene from a horror movie. There's so many of them. And they're all just flying around. I don't know what they're doing, but they're going a bit crazy. Right then, we're taking a little walk along the Cairns Esplanade. It's a wonderful walk. It's a lovely little breeze this evening as well. Today has been a wonderful day, again in Australia. This is the second video of the series. I hope you guys are enjoying it. We've done a little waterfall tour today with Waterfall Wanderers. Again, couldn't recommend the company higher. Exactly the same as the boats yesterday. It was awesome, thoroughly enjoyed it. Lawrence, out of 10?
10.
10. It's been a good one today. I'm gonna sign out the vlog now. We're gonna go for some dinner, and then tomorrow we are picking up our camper van and starting an epic road trip. So be sure to stay tuned for that. We'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.
When you treat her like your number one baby. Put my bitches on yachts, we don't do jet skis. Put your ice on rocks, they need to help me.
Oh, got soaked. And here is the silhouette of a giant casserole.